Hello, this is CarExamer. I'm Dan, and this is an inspection on the Bentley Continental GT. First impressions, obviously they're all nice cars, but this particular one, I think it's been used as a daily driver in a work sort of environment. All four wheels are curbed, and the front two are heavily curbed. The interior is very, very messy. There's marks everywhere. I've documented everything. You should see everything in the pictures I've uploaded. Mechanically, it's sound. It's good. There's no massive records of the maintenance that it should have gone through, which is alarming for a car like this. But it's entirely your decision. But I'll speak to you further when I give you a phone call. Thank you. Bye.